All right, we are less than 36 hours since we bought our brand new home. Boy, have we had a lot of work done so far, though. So far, we've had an electrician come, and he's been here since 7:30 this morning, installing all our ceiling fans, all our pendant lights. He's now working on our outdoor security lights. He is just working very, very hard. We have had all curtains put up. We've had our shower curtain put up. Curtain rods. And then at the same time, we've tried to protect the walls from the movers that will eventually come in a couple of days, but some failures, some not. Trying to protect the walls. We'll be here in the next couple of days, but kind of a good transformation here. Just documenting for ourselves for the most part. New ceiling fan. Beautiful curtains. Again, they're not positioned right. They were just getting them up. Having them put up. Our tiny computer room. Perfect ceiling fan, functional. Blackout white curtains. Little spare. We're going to utilize actually to block doors, which is going to be nice, especially in the very, very back. I'm going to try to protect the house, at least the tile, once we start moving in all our bedroom suite and everything next couple of days. Laundry room's getting set up. We're going to be getting internet in 2 days. There is so much space. Again, doing our best to try to protect our current investment. Downlights, so little cost compared to what was offered. We're going to be doing our backsplash. Put our pendant lights in. Our new fan. Our new curtains, everything. Very pleased. Hard-working gentleman doing the work today. Very pleased with how everything has turned out so far. Brand new downlight here. This is usually the cafe area. We're going to use this as a nice relaxation room. We've got one more ceiling fan to put in. Still going to be putting that up. We just took down the security lights and putting up ring lights here. Going to be protecting the walls as best we can. Obviously we have some failures, but that's okay. Gotta be pleased with how everything has turned out. We're amazed about how much light our bathroom gets. There's a little tiny little light in here. I'm so sorry, a window. And it reflects off the building next door, which is tall. And we get plenty of light without turning on the light. It's pretty amazing. Been very pleased with how everything has turned out. This is the cedar model. This is one of the smaller models in the Heron Preserve neighborhood. Next couple of days we're going to be protecting the walls a little bit more. As our movers will be coming in soon with very, very heavy furniture. All right. Oh, this is gonna look so good when we get everything in here. Oh yeah, we got a new sink, a new faucet. Also put in same day. All in one day. It's amazing how much work we've had done. And literally this is less than 36 hours later. White, bright, looks beautiful.